Hello friends, today we'll see how to make mutton biryani. 4 small cinnamon sticks, 3 cloves, 1½ tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, 10 peppercorns, 3 cardamoms, a little mace, 1 pinch of nutmeg powder, a small amount of coriander seeds. Saute it until it gets into light golden color. Once it cooled down, grind it well. In a pan, I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee and 2 cinnamon sticks and 2 cloves. Add 1 small onion and saute it well until it becomes light golden color. Now add 5 green chilies and 1 small tomato. Mix it well. Now add mutton pieces. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1½ tablespoon of chili powder. Add salt as needed and mix it well. Add 1 tablespoon of curd. And half lemon juice. Mix it well. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Now add some coriander and mint leaves. Add 1 cup of water and mix it well. And leave it for whistles until mutton gets cooked. Our mutton is cooked properly. Add 2 cups of water. For 1½ cups of rice, add 3 cups of water. Water is boiled now. Add 1½ cups of rice which was soaked for 30 minutes. Add fresh masala powder. Mix it well. And add some coriander leaves. Mix it well. And leave it for 1 whistle. Cook it for another 10 minutes in a low flame. Our biryani is ready. It's ready to serve. It's time for plating. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment.